Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been several days not to upload video on YouTube because I'm always crowded with too many activities to create videos. So my bad and forgive me. Today we are in the backyard of my neighbor house with my sisters and brother who are living there. And we are preparing to make some delicious homemade snacks. We've got potato chips, fried swine meat, fried swine bean, and grilled okras. Why don't you take a look at our activities? Firstly, we start by soaking the swine meat into the water. Swine meat, artificial meat, is a kind of food and is made of swine bean. And I squeeze the water which is infiltrating into those meats. After that, we wash the what? How can I call this? I don't know how to call it in English. Please share me if somebody know the name of that food. I'm requesting to you, please. မြန်မာမှာဆိုရင်တော့ပဲပြလို့ခေါ်ပါတယ် English လို့ဆိုရင်တော့ဘယ်လိုခေါ်လဲမသိပါဘူးပဲဆိုတာက bean ပြားတာ flat ပဲပြဆိုတော့ bean flat လား bean flat Okay, never mind. Let's keep going. And then wash the baby and put spices you need and dry them under the sunlight. By drying under the sunlight, water are vaporized as gas and more crispy after frying. Next, we peel the fresh potatoes and wash them until spotless. Want to make some things like foods, maybe going picnics with your families or with your friends or maybe your team or group. You are able to get consistency, teamwork, excellent relationships, and become more familiar. And you will get even memorable moments with them. We And now we are frying. We are frying what? I don't know what is this and how can I call this?
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျွတ်ရွက်နေတာပဲလို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့ရှာရဲပေါ်နေဆွဲဟိုရတာဆွဲနေတယ်
Okay.
လာနေပါတယ်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျွန်တော်ညင်တော့ဇာမနေပါတယ်လို့
Okay. Okay.
ဒီရလေးကြောင်းနေပါပြီလို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့
အဲ့လိုရတာခုနဟာလေးကြည့်ကြ
ကြောင်းနေပါပြီလို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဗီဒီယိုရိုက်နေပါပြီလို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပဲပြလေးမွေးနေပါတယ်လို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဒီအဲ့ချိန်မှာမီးပြစ်နေပါတယ်လို့ဟုတ်ကဲ့
After frying, we got two items of fried foods. One is potato chips and another one is that food, that fries. And I have no idea to call the name of that food, so please tell me if you know the name of that food. So အဲ့ဒီပဲပြားကြော်ကို English လို့ဘယ်လိုခေါ်ရမလဲဆိုတာခုချိန်ထိမသိသေးပါဘူးဒီကြောင့် The next one is to fry the swine meat. So let's fry with me together. I just use a little bit oil to fry the swine meat. Because the swine meats are able to absorb the oil we use.
မွေးနာတူးနန်
ဝင်းနေရတဲ့လကားကြီးနဲ့กินတာဝင်းနေရတဲ့လကားကြီးနဲ့กินတာ
Didn't have to cut me off. I could never know we were nothing.
Finally, we grill the okras with salt fire. And we wipe the green okras with oil, which is mixture of salt and sweet powders.
မွေးနေပါဘူး
Wait, we carefully grate them, but unfortunately, its green color is obviously turned to black. I definitely sad for it. After cooking activities, it's ready to eat. I arranged the foods we made in a large plate. I tried all of these delicious foods and I will give a review to that foods. From my point of view, among all of the foods, I like the potato chips the most, so I give 10 out of 10 to that chips, and the second one is fried swine meat. I give 8 out of 10 to that meat, and the third one is grilled okras. I give 5 out of 10 to that grilled okras. After we ate together,
A few moments later.
there are only left this one and we don't like it, and I also do it because it raw and the taste wasn't good as much as I thought. So I would say a big thanks to you for watching, and if you would like to know my new video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up my video. So we'll see you in my next video and bye bye.